Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that sounds like it belongs in a movie, but knowing about it could one day save lives. Imagine it's an ordinary afternoon. People are walking home from work, children are playing outside, cars are moving through traffic, someone is making coffee, and someone else is scrolling through their phone. Then suddenly, without warning, the sky flashes. Not like lightning, not like fireworks. For a split second, the entire world turns white with a light brighter than anything you've ever seen before. If you ever witness a flash brighter than the sun, the first thing you should do is turn away immediately and protect your eyes. Within seconds, a powerful shockwave may follow. Windows can shatter, buildings can shake, and the sound can feel like thunder rolling through the ground itself. In those critical moments, every second matters, and your actions can make an enormous difference. Your first priority is simple. Get inside as quickly as possible. Do not stand outside to watch. Take pictures or record videos. Do not stay inside your car if you can avoid it. Instead, run to the nearest solid building, preferably one made of concrete or brick. Once you're inside, move as far away from windows and outside walls as possible. If the building has a basement, go there immediately. If there is no basement, move to the center of the building or to the middle floors. The more walls and material between you and the outside world, the safer you will be. Why is this so important? Because after the explosion comes something you cannot see: radioactive fallout. These tiny radioactive particles can be carried by the wind and may begin falling back to the ground within minutes. The dust may look harmless, but it can be dangerous if you breathe it in or come into contact with it for long periods of time. This is why the next rule is just as important as the first: stay inside. Even if everything outside looks calm and quiet, do not leave your shelter until emergency officials say it is safe to do so. In many situations, remaining sheltered for at least 24 hours can greatly increase your chances of survival. If you happen to be outside when the explosion occurred, remove your outer layer of clothing as soon as you reach safety and place it in a sealed plastic bag if possible. This simple action can remove a large amount of radioactive material from your body. After that, wash exposed skin and hair gently with soap and water to remove any remaining particles. Then comes perhaps the most important part of all: stay informed. Use a battery-powered radio, your phone, or any available emergency broadcast system to listen for instructions from local authorities. They will provide information about evacuation routes, safe areas, and when it is safe to leave your shelter. Movies often portray nuclear explosions as the end of the story. But in reality, for many people, survival depends on the decisions made during those first few minutes. Remember these 4 simple words: get inside, stay informed. Knowledge weighs nothing, but in an emergency, it can save lives. If you found this video helpful or learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories, survival guides, and educational content. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.